Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get notified when hashtags you are following have published new posts on Likee. So let's get started. Firstly, open Likee app in a device, then tap on profile icon, next tap on three dots icon, after that tap on settings, next tap on notifications, then you can see the option of new push from hashtags. Tap on it. So this is how you can get notified when hashtags you are following have published new posts on Likee.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.